I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a device from your Gate.io account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Gate.io account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to your email or phone for any verification codes. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to the account section and find the security settings. This is where you can manage your devices and security features. Step 3. View authorized devices. In the security settings, look for an option labeled authorized devices or something similar. Click on it to see a list of devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Identify the device you want to remove from the list. There should be a remove or delete option next to it. Click on that option. Step 5. Confirm the removal. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the device. Confirm your choice and the device will be removed from your account. Be careful when removing devices, especially if you frequently switch between them. If you accidentally remove a device you still use, you'll need to log in again. I hope this helps you manage your Gate.io account more easily.